let me introduce myself. My name is Sinta Amelia. My study ID number is, and my class, I'm from Accounting Program Studi, Faculty of Economy and Business, Bina Sarana Informatika University, Cengkareng Campus. Part 1. On this session, I will give my opinion about smoking in the campus area. First, smoking on campus can really bother other people, especially for people who don't smoke or have asthma. Plus, it's bad for passive smokers too. Second, it can also mess with your focus and studying. When you smoke too much, it's harder to concentrate or understand lesson well. Third, besides that, smoking makes the campus look dirty. Cigarette butts are everywhere and they take forever to the campus. So, don't smoke on the campus. It doesn't make you look cool. It just makes the campus uncomfortable for everyone. Part 2. Hi everyone, I will explain a little about the question word. What is the question word? Question words are words used to ask about something, such as reason, time, place, object, people, and many others. First, what? What is used to ask about something? What is question word that function to ask about something or things related to someone? For example, what are you doing? What is your name? And what do you think about the movie? Second, where? If you want to find out information about the location or place, purpose, and position of someone or something, of course, the correct question word to use is where. For example, where is the hospital? Where do you live? And where are you going tonight? Third, why? This question word function asks a reason or cause of an action or even to determine the background of something. For example, why do you love me? Why it did happen? And why are you crying? Fourth, when? When is used to ask something happen. This question word is closely related to the adverb of time, which can be used to answer this type of question. For example, when do you finish college? When will the meeting start? And when did she leave? 5. Which? Which is to ask or provide choice such as goods, color, opinions, and others. For example, which extracurricular do you join in? Which color do you want? And which coffee shop do you prefer? 6. Who? Who is a question word to ask about people or as relative pronoun to provide further information about people. For example, who is your favorite Korean artist? Who is boyfriend? And who is coming to the party? 7. How? This question word used when asking about process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, distance, or quantity. For example, how can you explain this problem? How much money do you have? And how do you make this cake? 8. Whose? If you ask, what the difference between whose, who, and whom? The difference is whose is a question word used to ask about possession. For example, whose are the novels? Whose car is that? And whose wallet is this? That's the material I can convey the question words. I hope it's useful for all of you. That's all from me. Thank you and see you!